In this video, I am going to answer the question, what are the topics that are covered uh, in this course, or that is nothing but our syllabus. The field of machine learning is continuously evolving one. Every day there is new languages coming up, new frameworks are designed which will increase the programming productivity of programmers. And that's why it is very difficult to select the topics that are going to discuss in this course. So what we did while designing the course on machine learning is that our aim is to introduce those topics which are most relevant uh, for from industry perspective, and which are the most relevant topics to pursue a career in research, and broadly which are the most relevant topics to develop what I am referring it as a probabilistic and statistical thinking. So that is the criteria that we have used. We divided our syllabus into six different units. We are starting with the first unit called Introduction to Machine Learning. And in this unit, we are going to define what does it mean by machine learning, different types of machine learning like supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, then what does it mean by bias and various trade-off, what are different types of data that you need to handle while building the machine learning models, then what are the preliminary things that are must in order to build machine learning models from the statistics and linear algebra. So that are the broad range of topics that we are going to cover under the unit number 1. The from the second unit, actually we are going to start with actual model machine learning model building. The first type of machine learning models that we are going to discuss is the regression model. And in this regression model, we are starting with very simple linear regression model, then multiple linear regression models, how to interpret the different parameters of linear regression models, and how to validate the regression model. That are the topics that we are going to cover under the regression model. See, if you remember, while in the first unit, I have explained that the machine learning can be studied from three different perspectives. That is, one is the conceptual, second one is the mathematical, and third one is the programming. However, the first unit, that was the introduction to machine learning, is entirely the conceptual one. And from the second unit, we are starting to understand what is the underlying mathematics and how to program the machine learning models. So this unit is both has two dimensions, that is the mathematical as well as programming perspective. In the unit number 3, we are going to study different classification techniques, under which there are logistic regressions for binary classifications is there, then logistic regression for multi-class classification, then tree based methods are there like regression based trees, classification trees, random forest, neural network based methods for classification. And also we are going to study the techniques for building classification model with a minimum or the reduced set of features. So that are the broad range of topics that comes under classification. The unit number 4 is about the linear model selection and the regularization. For a one particular data set, we need you can build more than one models. How to select one particular model which will give the more accuracy. So that is the topic of linear model selection. And then in regularization is the method of fine-tuning the performance of model that you have built. That is called as the unit number 4. Then in the unit number 5, what we are going to study one special technique of building machine learning model called support vector machine. And in the support vector machine is a technique of computationally efficient technique to build the machine learning models. It is used for classification as well as for the prediction. Then unit 6 and the last unit deals with unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning means building the machine learning model when the data set is unlabeled. And the techniques that we are going to study for unsupervised learning are the principal component analysis, K, means, and hierarchical clustering. These are the methods that we are going to study under the unit number 6 called unsupervised learning. About the books that I am referring to teach this course, the first book I am referring, it is written by Professor Dinesh Kumar from the Indian Institute of Management, titled Business Analytics, and it is published by the publisher Wiley. This book contains a lot many examples, and it is basically for with a statistical background book. Then the second book that I am referring, which is also widely used all over the world, titled An Introduction to Statistical Learning with Applications in R. But for the purpose of this course, we are preparing the Python as our programming language to build the machine learning language, to build the machine learning models. Mm, and this book is published by the Springer. The third book I suggest you to refer, and I am also referring, is the Data Mining Methods, written by Rajan Chattamvelli and published by Narosa Publication. This book contains classification of data, normalization methods. These topics are explained in this book very in a better way. So I suggest this book for those topics, data mining, and what I am doing is that I am also suggesting which book in which topic is explained nicely in which book. So while teaching a particular topic. These are some of the online learning resources that I suggest you to go through. Particularly, the first online learning resource that majority of the new machine learning language, those who wants to study on the self-study basis, they prefer the course that is available on Coursera platform by delivered by Professor Andrew Ng, and this is one of the most widely and popular course and widely used by the new learners. The second online learning resource that I suggest, and also our university has recommended and made it mandatory for every student to enroll for this course, Introduction to Machine Learning by Professor Balaraman Ravindran from IIT Madras. It is available on the NPTEL and SWAYAM platform. The third course is my personal choice, and I suggest you because of you can get the inspiration to build such online learning courses because Dr. Ashish Tendulkar is our alumni. He is the student of our university in the from the first batch, and this course is also widely popular on the YouTube. Practical machine learning with TensorFlow, and it is also available on the NPTEL platform. There is one good article published in the Medium, written by Robbie Allen, which contains a similar list of online list of learning resources for to study the machine learning, titled "My Curated List on AI and Machine Learning Resources from Around the World." You can refer, you can go through this. There are ample number of learning resources are available for you, and of course, not list this course delivered by me, Arvind Kulekar. Thank you.